So hello guys, here is my next video where I will share with you some informations about combination wrenches. I have situation and case when I worked on my car suspension and the main issue of my case was that the wrenches I own now were not enough long to put some strong leverage and tighten or remove bolts from the fasteners, and that's why I have to search some longer versions of the combination wrenches, and now I will tell you what is my conclusion and for which long combination wrench I will go in the future. I mean that I will order them. One disclaimer, guys, this video also is not promotional video. No of my videos are such type. I mean that are not sponsored of any tool makers or other car part makers. I own everything and buy myself, and I am highly motivated to show you what is good and what is not. So guys, let's start and say at first that this video is mainly for also European DIYers, because the wrenches I have found here online are mainly sold in Europe. Also they are available in the USA, but the prices are bigger, and also if you pick them from example from Germany, then shipping prices also will be higher. So mainly this informational video covers only European DIYers. So guys, the main players of the market when you decide to go and buy some quality combination wrenches which are longer than usual wrenches are three: Gedore, Hazet and Stahlwille. But to be honest, they offer a different type of the wrenches. I mean that their long pattern wrenches are different in sizes, and the main aim in this situation is the length of the wrench. So let's start from Gedore. Gedore offers 7XL combination spanners. Here you can see it on Gedore catalog, and it is described as extra long shaft for deep applications and high torques. Guys, these are truly long wrenches. I mean that when Gedore stamps that it is their long pattern wrenches, they are long, and it is true. These wrenches are made in Germany. It is very good. The feeling and the finish of these wrenches are the same as their regular ones. I have some of them in my garage, and I can guarantee that the plating and chrome and other stuffs are great on these wrenches. Also they are very light, but guys, they cost a lot of money, and I think that they are for professionals and not DIYers. You know, there are some tools from high-end manufacturers where you can buy them, but there are some tools where you can find a good analog, good quality analog, and pay less money. So this Gedore 7XL combination wrenches or spanners are from 7. Smallest size is 7 and the biggest size is 46. In my case, I am motivated to buy the wrenches which will start from 8 and the biggest radius will be 19 because these are mostly used sizes on the Mercedes cars. Who knows, I may buy 36mm wrench too in the future because the fan clutch on the Mercedes cars use 36mm wrenches, but I think it is good to buy some special fan clutch tools which are also available online and not to invest in this wrench. So if we here now look at the sizes, for example, the 17mm wrench is 280mm long and it is good length to apply some leverage. Guys, it is good that Gedore offers every size from 7 till 46. You can pick them up separately with the part numbers here are showed, or you can pick them up by sets. Also, you can check them on the Amazon D or eBay D, and you will be able to find the set you want. As I know, there are two sets. One has 8 pieces and another has 10 pieces inside, as I am not wrong. So the style of the spanner is regular. It has 50mm degree angled and the shaft of the wrench is enough thin and enough light. It is very good. So guys, the plus for this wrenches is that it does not skip any sizes, but the minus for these wrenches, for especially me, is that they cost very much. Even if you will discover some used ones on eBay, it will cost money. Why? Because everybody knows that Gedore is made in Germany and German tools are highly respectable and they cost a lot of money. You decide, do you need this wrench or not? I can say that the quality is very good and you will receive for what you pay for. So let's move on now and see some rivals here, and also of course we can now talk about Hazet or Hazet. These are also made in Germany wrenches, and the abbreviation Hazet names them is 600 LG. This is their longer or longest style combination wrenches out there, and as Gedore ones, these are also made in Germany. Guys, make sure that these are not regular 600 series. Regular 600 series is shorter style wrenches. these are 600 LJ and they are long pattern wrenches. Here you can see that the sizes are from 10 to 41. I have some 600 regular wrenches in my tools, and I can say that these are good wrenches if we see the tolerance on the open and box ends, but I have no 600 LG wrenches, and I cannot say how they feel, but Hazet is very respectable brand out there, and I'm sure that they will feel and look very amazing. But guys, here are the main minus for these wrenches, because if we compare them to Gedore ones, they cost much more than Gedore. This is minus for me, and also they do not offer every size that Gedore 7XL wrenches offer here. And also guys, if we compare the length of the wrenches, we will see that here Hazet is way far than Gedore. I mean that Hazet is better than Gedore, and I think that's why these wrenches cost more than Gedore ones. For example, here is 600 LG 70mm wrench, which is 305 millimeters long, and if we compare it to the Gedore 17mm long pattern wrench, this is 280 millimeter long. So Hazet's long wrenches are longer than Gedore long wrenches, and that's why they cost much more. And also they are for professionals who work with them every day. And I think that DIYers do not need such type of the tools. Of course, they are one of the best out there, but they cost enormous amount of the money. So let's now move on the third option and see what do Stahlwille offer us in this situation. And here we are, the classic of the genre. This is Stahlwille combination spanner open box 14. This is their long pattern wrench, but there are some differences between Gedore, Hazet, and Stahlwille combination wrenches. If Gedore and Hazet are 50 degree angled, then Stahlwille is 10 degree angled. I mean box end, and also Stahlwille costs less than Gedore and Hazet. You may ask why. Do they have bad quality? No, guys. I like the Stahlwille chrome plating very much. I have some of open box 30 spanners in my garage, and they are simply superb. But the Stahlwille open box 40 is shorter and way shorter than Gedore 7XL and Hazet 600 LJ. Now let's continue our comparison, and here we see Stahlwille open box 70 millimeter wrench, which is 240 millimeters in length. 240 millimeters versus Gedore's 280 millimeters and versus Hazet 305 millimeters. Now the differences are noticeable, and that's why Stahlwille wrenches are can be picked with a less amount of the money. And guys, I think that these are mid-range length wrenches. These are not truly long pattern wrenches. It is my personal mind. You can decide for yourself. But if I was looking for long pattern combination wrenches, I would not buy Stahlwille ones because they are not enough long. If we see here the length of each wrench. Also, if we compare the sizes, the smallest one is 6 millimeters, and the big one is 41 millimeters here. And now I will show you the alternative of these three main market players, and the alternative I share with you can be picked up or can be bought for the price of the one or two Gedore or Hazet wrench, and it is amazing. So what is my choice? My choice now is this, and these are, guys, made by Toptul. Toptul is my favorite tool maker when we speak about the tools from Taiwan. I mean that the tools which are not made in Germany or USA, I go anytime for Toptul, especially when we speak about long patterned wrenches. And here it is, their longest wrench. These are called extra long combination wrenches with 15-degree offsets, and it is stamped as a set. Here you can see this set. The picture is displayed here from Toptul catalog, and there are 10 pieces included in this set. So the part numbers are, or abbreviations of these wrenches are AAEL, and then the sizes of each wrench. So the smallest one in this set is 10 millimeter long, 10 millimeters in the diameter, and the largest one is 19 millimeter in the diameter. And the length is the main reason these wrenches are respected from me. If we look here, this is their 17 millimeter wrench, which length is 312 millimeters, guys. So this wrench is longer than Gedore 17 millimeter XL. This is longer than Hazet 600 LG. Here you can see. Also, of course, it is longer than Stahlwille open box 70. And the biggest plus for this set is that it costs very little amount of money. I will not now show you the online markets where these wrenches may be picked up for a reasonable price, because I don't want to make the promotional video here. But if you know the thing, and if you can dig into online sources, you can find them with very attractive price, guys. These are not shiny wrenches. These are chrome finished with satin look, and these are, in this case, the wrenches I will go to, and very soon I am going to order them, and then I will do their live review for you guys. So once again, the set contains from 10 pieces, 10 millimeters till 19 millimeters, and the lengths of these wrenches are simply superb. You can use them with the applications which may need a lot of leverage, and also from my experience I can say that Toptul is the first brand for me. Quality and price in this situation are very good. So guys, this was a little informational video from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will be useful for you. If you like this type of videos, please show me on the comments below. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and goodbye.